Hey everyone, Bobby here from Bipper Media. So there's the old way of doing SEO, which we've done for like 15 years. And in fact, look at this cup. You see this old school bip head? This is from like 15 years ago. It's actually one of my favorite coffee cups. The old way of doing SEO was build more content, build more backlinks, get Google to crawl and index. However, today is the day, it's the era of AI. AI is already upon us. You see it in Google AI overviews. You've heard about ChatGPT. Well, guess what? Your customers, your potential future clients and customers, they're using ChatGPT and they're using Google Search and Google Maps all to find your business. So the old way was just building content and building backlinks. The new way, the new era of AI is all about structured optimization. We call it schema. We don't need to get into details of that. It's basically taking the old SEO, which is text and backlinks, but layering in structured data into your backlinks and your content. That's what we're doing today. That's how we're helping our clients not just rank higher in Google search, but gain exponentially higher levels of visibility in all AI search platforms. Google AI overviews, Google Maps, which Google Maps is also an AI powered platform, and ChatGPT. You've got to start optimizing for AI. And in fact, right now, because it's such a new thing and it's upon us and it's gaining so much momentum, more than likely, none of your competitors understand even the first steps to take, okay? This is how we're helping our clients. So step number one, if you haven't already, you need to download our ebook. Our ebook has been completely revamped from the ground up to talk about how to optimize your business for AI. So number one, get our ebook. If you've already got our ebook, step number two, schedule a call with us so that we can do a deep dive into your business, see where you're at currently, and give you a detailed plan on what you need to do now to not only dominate in Google Search and in Google Maps, but in every AI platform where your customers are searching. So get the ebook and then schedule a call, and we can't wait to talk to you.